In this tutorial, we will explore why traditional static RAG is being replaced by Agentic RAG. Static retrieval is one-shot and linear, but the new paradigm thinks, rewrites queries, and iterates until the answer is good. This shift is transforming how enterprises build AI applications. The fundamental problem with static RAG is that it fetches documents once, generates an answer, and stops. There is no second guessing, no refinement, and no multi-hop reasoning. If the initial retrieval misses the mark, the answer is wrong and the system has no way to recover. Most RAG systems don't fail at the LLM layer. They fail earlier in the pipeline. Poor chunking breaks context, missing metadata makes retrieval blind, weak vector search misses relevant documents, and no re-ranking means bad results pollute the context. By the time the LLM sees the prompt, the damage is already done. There are at least 12 potential failure points in a production RAG pipeline. Agentic RAG changes the game at every level. Instead of taking a user query at face value, it rewrites it for better retrieval. Instead of searching a single index, it dynamically picks the best data source from databases, ARPAs, or the web. Most importantly, it evaluates what information is still missing and iterates until it has a complete answer. Industry experts now describe this transition as RAG 1.0 to RAG 2.0. RAG 1.0 was built around LLM ops tools with a linear pipeline: chunk, index, retrieve, generate. RAG 2.0 is an end-to-end search system with AI models operating at every stage, including query rewriting, multi-hop reasoning, and dynamic source selection. Projects like RAG Flow have adopted this agentic architecture. Here is how an agentic RAG system actually works. A query arrives and an intent recognition model classifies it. If the intent is ambiguous, the query is rewritten. Then the system retrieves from multiple sources, including vector databases, full text search, and knowledge graphs. A reflection mechanism evaluates whether the retrieved results are relevant. If not, the query is rewritten again and the cycle continues until the answer is satisfactory. Let's look at query rewriting in action. If a user asks, "Tell me about the GPU shortage," that is too vague for vector search. The agent rewrites it to what caused the NVIDIA GPU supply constraints in 2024 and how did cloud providers respond. This refined query now matches precise documents with high semantic similarity, giving the LLM much better context to work with. A key innovation in agentic RAG is the self-RAG reflection mechanism. The system retrieves documents, generates an answer attempt, then scores how relevant the retrieved content actually is. If relevance is low, the query is rewritten and the retrieval process repeats. This turns a one-shot pipeline into a cyclic graph. RAG Flow implemented exactly this approach in version 0.8, allowing the system to critique its own retrievals. Implementing Agentic RAG is surprisingly accessible with modern frameworks. With LlamaIndex, you wrap your query engine as a tool and feed it to a React agent. The agent can call the tool, evaluate the response, decide to rewrite and retry, or call a different tool entirely. LangGraph and CrewAI offer similar patterns. The key is giving the LLM agency to control the retrieval process rather than being a passive consumer. The real power of Agentic RAG is multi-source retrieval. Instead of one vector database, your agent can choose between semantic search, SQL databases for structured data, live web search for recent information, and even computation tools. The LLM decides which source fits the query best. This is why Agentic RAG outperforms static retrieval on complex enterprise questions that span structured and unstructured data. Agentic RAG is already in production across major industries. Customer support systems use multi-step troubleshooting across documentation bases. Healthcare platforms cross-reference clinical trials with patient records. Legal research tools search across thousands of case law documents with multi-hop reasoning. And financial analysts combine live market data, SEC filings, and news in a single query flow. Agentic RAG is not without trade-offs. Each iterative cycle increases latency, and multiple LLM calls per query raise costs. There are also agent loop risks where the system can get stuck in infinite reflection cycles or hallucination cascades where bad initial retrieval compounds. Debugging these systems is harder than linear pipelines because the agent chooses its own path. These are active research areas. So when should you use Agentic RAG? It is ideal for complex multi-hop queries where a single retrieval pass is insufficient, and for high-stakes enterprise scenarios where answer quality matters more than speed. but it is overkill for simple Q&A on a single document, and not ready for latency-sensitive real-time applications where every millisecond counts. This matters because the RAG market is projected to reach $50 billion by 2030. Agentic RAG represents a fundamental shift from passive retrieval to active reasoning. Every AI engineer building enterprise applications needs this pattern in their toolkit. It is the bridge between simple chatbots and truly autonomous AI systems that can research, reason, and verify their own conclusions. If you found this breakdown useful, we publish in-depth AI tutorials like this every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to join a growing community of AI engineers building the future. Next up, we will build a full agentic RAG system from scratch with LangGraph.